When I was in high school, I had a tech class that I took, and we had some representatives come down from UTI and all the other schools, but UTI definitely stood out to me. And I took a few tours, and I just loved it, loved the campus, and it was just an amazing school to go to. I had no really background in the tech industry, but just from doing in the high school, the tech class just made me want to do it even more. My parents were super supportive of what I wanted to do. I just wanted to go straight into a program that was fast-paced. And if you're gonna make a career in the automotive industry, you definitely need to at least take some tours of the schools and just make sure you think you know what you want to do.